Very good morning. We Garden Lovers Club are meeting after 1 year, and after the lockdown, this is the first meeting we are conducting here.
I am Sen, retired additional director horticulture,
Oh,
government of Pondicherry,
yeah.
life member in Public Gardens Agri Horticulture Society as well as Garden Lovers Club. From the inception I was here. Now in the month of March or so we had a very bad time of Corona.
Yes.
Due to Corona, education institutions were affected, laborers were affected, professionals were affected, doctors were affected, almost all communities throughout the world.
Yeah.
And India also we had our own experiences. But hope now vaccine has come, we are being inoculated, and I think shortly everybody will be. Another thing what I heard from the papers is we Indians are immunity is more
Yes.
for us because our food habits are quite different. We boil perfectly. We take up good nutritious food.
Yes.
Then regarding myself, Corona, just I was sitting in my house because due to my age factor I cannot go outside also
Yes.
due to restrictions. But I learned to be frank, cooking.
Yes. Good.
That is the thing.
Good. Good.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
I am Colonel Gopal Reddy,
Yes.
retired 19 years back from Indian Army in the rank of Colonel.
Okay.
I was locked down, during lockdown,
Mm.
I was stuck up in US
Oh.
for about 5 months.
Oh.
And in 5 months was very, very difficult time.
Oh.
Neither I could go for a walk,
Oh.
neither I could go to the gym,
Oh.
neither
Mm.
I could do any exercise.
Oh.
House was 2-bedroom house
Oh.
and I had fear,
Oh.
anxiety,
Oh.
and uncertainty of going to India because
Oh.
flights were
Yeah.
cancelled
Yeah.
and future was very, very uncertain. My
Okay.
children were,
Mm.
both of them were dentists,
Oh. Oh.
and for them every day
Mm.
is a hell
Oh.
because they have to take a lot of precautions,
Oh.
and we were handling a small baby,
Oh. Oh. Yeah. That's true.
and right from her birth in November
Oh.
till the time we left
Oh.
at the end of August.
Oh.
So we had a horrible time.
Mm.
But however,
Oh.
being an army man,
Yes.
I kept my morale up
Good. Very good.
and did little bit of pranayam
Wow. Good.
and yoga
Oh, good.
and some sort of exercises to keep my limbs
Wow. Good.
and joints
Oh.
healthy. I had
Mm.
healthy food.
Wow. Good.
For surviving, you have to have healthy food.
Yes. Yeah.
And because we were 5 members, including the baby,
Oh. 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 Oh.
and they were doing a dangerous job
Yeah.
of dentist.
Wow. Good. Yeah. Yeah. That's
So
true.
anything can happen.
Anything can happen. Yeah.
Anything can happen. Luckily, God is great. I am back in India,
Good.
and it took me
Oh.
good 5 months to recover my health.
Wow. Good.
And having a nutritious food, every day going for a walk
Good. Good.
and doing exercises
Good, sir.
and yoga and pranayam
Good, sir.
made me like this.
Good, sir.
I lost 9 kg during my 5 months lockup.
Oh.
Now I've regained my weight.
Mm.
Now I'm feeling healthy and I'm very, very happy
Yes.
to see good Samaritans,
Oh,
that is
good.
garden lovers.
Regularly అంటే ఫస్ట్ లో వెరీ బిగినింగ్ వీఆర్ వెరీ స్కేర్డ్ అండి. వీఆర్ వెరీ స్కేర్డ్. తర్వాత అసలు బయటకే వెళ్లకుండా అయిపోయాము. స్లోలీ మేము కొంచెం కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ డెవలప్ చేసుకుని వీ స్టార్టెడ్ అవర్ రెగ్యులర్ వర్క్. అండ్ మనం దీని నుంచే హౌస్ నుంచే పనిచేసాము. రిగార్డింగ్ అవర్ ప్లాంట్స్ అండ్ ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్ వీ వర్క్డ్ అవర్ సెల్ఫ్ అండ్ వీ డెవలప్డ్ సమ్ వెజిటబుల్ గార్డెన్ ఇన్ ద పాండమిక్ టైమ్. వీ కుక్డ్ అవర్ own vegetables.
Oh, very nice.
And these kothimera, these leafy vegetables, and these brinjals and lady finger, like that.
Okay.
We eat only vegetarian diet, and we take all precautions, drinking water of tulsi and all these things.
Very nice.
So within our home we self-sufficient. We spent like that.
Very
and
nice.
after in the rainy season, I lost so many plants due to that blockage of my pots. So I spent 20 days for recovering all these things. Now it is okay. But I am very happy to meet again and spend some time with our friends, VLC friends. Okay.
Thank you.
Morning.
Yes.
I'm Sheila Patel. I'm the treasurer of the Garden Lovers Club, and we are meeting after March. Our last meeting was in March 2020, and due to the lockdown, we weren't able to meet, and this is the first time we are meeting, and it's very nice to be here. And the lockdown was very sudden, and it was very difficult. I think most people, they had servant problems in the beginning, but once we settled down, to getting used to that new lifestyle, we used to spend our free time in gardening. I have a terrace garden in my complex, so I had started a vegetable garden, and I concentrated on my vegetable garden. And I've been growing different types of vegetables and fruit plants, like I've grown coconut, I've grown mango, I've grown gooseberry, pomegranate.
Good.
I have all those, besides brinjal.
Wow.
And green leafy vegetables. And we have that was one part of my garden. Then we have another part of the garden which is for the association, for members of the complex. So all the ladies used to come up in the evening, practice social distancing, and sit in the garden. That was because lockdown started in March.
Yes.
Almost end of March. So March,
22nd
April, May.
March.
Yeah, those were the very, very hot days. And people got fed up sitting at home. So quite a few ladies used to come, sit on the terrace in the garden.
I'm a Badrunisa Tala. I didn't sit in the home only. I do my walking, daily works, and then I am help to the people. They don't know. It's very hot. People are suffering from. They didn't get cooler and all. So I guide them where they can get, in which godam they can get, in which shop they are getting.
Oh, that's good.
So I help many people, and I call all my godams fellows.
अच्छा मेरे को एक चीज के लिए आपको कांटेक्ट करना पड़ेगा.
So
Okay.
apart from that, in this free time, I made a very small terrace garden with more than 50 plants. It will be divided into succulent,
Then your colleague.
flowering plants, cactus, and bonsai.
Very good.
4 types of plants are there. Apart from this, one fruit plant is there, dragon fruit. It's growing very fast. I changed 3 potted in 4 months.
Wow, good.
I'm working in I was working in Osmania University. I did PhD, MA, MPhil, and right now I'm doing DLit.
Very good. Now, how was your lockdown period?
Oh, lockdown period is horrible.
Ah.
And I felt that it should be there for some time in every locality. क्योंकि वहाँ पर हमको बहुत सारे imagination आए हमको दिमाग में.
good.
तो we imagine good thing and we will approach good मतलब gardening and what not. तो हमारे own terrace पे हम बहुत सारे foreign के भी plants लगाए.
Very, very.
That one is from South Africa. Another is from no, it is not a foreign country, but in our own country only.
Acha, good.
So I must say that I prayed everyone to get well soon.
My name is Manoj Khurana, member of Garden Lovers Club since 2.5 years. Along with Venkat sir, I had joined.
Oh.
And lockdown period was good for the family because all we say myself, my missus, Dr. Suchitra, sons, elder son Vijay, and younger son Abhijay, all were together after so many time for a so long period.
Yeah. Family was together.
Family, yeah. And of course, जब साथ में है तो bonding ज़्यादा होती. And Vijay worked from home, and Abhijay was having his online classes. And yes, I had to shut completely for a month. No business at all. Mrs. The doctor was going to the clinic mornings only for the first 3 months. And she was requested by authorities to close down for 15 days.
Oh.
And then she started morning and evening. And I also started my business.
Good.
Yeah, after 1 month, I visited small nurseries in and around Boinpalli.
Oh, good, good.
That is Tirmalgiri area. Found a few plants, got them, and potted them after 1 month.
Good, good.
And yes, bonsais we continued, taking care of bonsais and other. And we ordered for 4 iron stands
Good. Oh.
for the plants,
Good,
2
good.
steps.
Oh.
Roughly 6 feet lengthwise and 2.5 feet height.
What's the cost of it?
Costing was 2,750 each.
Whoa.
So we shifted our bonsais to one stand, then small plants to another stand, and mix plants in the third stand.
Good, 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 good.
Dr. Shamla.
Yeah.
I stay at Padmarao Nagar. I love plants, and during my lockdown, we have shut down our clinics. We are totally almost locked in the house. So to pass time, I prepared a lot of manure with vegetable waste.
Oh.
That's the only thing I could do for the plants. I love plants, but I don't have much plants. I don't have much place also in the city. And other thing is, we, along with our friends, we collected donations. We pulled up, we collected all the addresses of our old friends, old doctors in India, in Hyderabad city and abroad, and we collected a lot of donation and bought some ventilators, masks, and dresses for
Good.
supplied to the government hospitals, because government hospitals were not properly supplied at least at the peak of time at the beginning. So we supplied to all the government of Gandhi Hospital, Nilofar Hospital, and we also provided incubators and ventilators also.
Good, good, good.
Because of course it's not me alone. We have pulled up about 50 friends, doctors, and few people well to do, and so we collect a good amount of money. And that's the only thing. That's the only satisfaction I have.
Hi, I'm Sangeeta Reddy, a member of the Garden Club, and like everybody else, I too have been through a lot of stressful times because of COVID. And I think one of the saving graces was my garden, without which I don't think we could have made it. It was difficult managing everything, that is including the housework, but we managed. There's nothing like you can't do it. You want to do something, you will do it. So even if I was tired, by the end of the day, I somehow made time for my plants.
Oh, good.
And we learned a lot of things during this lockdown. That is, learn to live with minimal
Good.
things in life. And COVID has taught us empathy. It has taught us tolerance. It has taught us what else did it teach us? Yeah, I think these are the main things. We learned to live with very little, but managed. So I think maybe we should continue doing the same thing, whether there is lockdown, whether there is COVID or not. Try not to waste things, like how we've lived without a lot of things. For example, ladies love shopping for clothes, but we survived a whole year without stepping into a shop.
That's good. Yeah, that's true.
So don't waste.
Yeah.
You need it, then you
buy
go
it.
buy it.
Yeah, correct.
Same thing with food.
Yeah.
Try and manage with what you have. That way you become a little more innovative also.
Yeah.
You don't get bored of things. And of course, the most happy being in this whole lockdown was my dog.
Wow.
And my plants.
Wow, good. Start.
Vinay Kumari, a member of this Garden Lovers Club. Actually, during lockdown, I did a lot to say that. I was very busy with my children and family and my grandchildren. So, I learned a lot about how to keep house hygienic and ourselves. And I love cooking also. So, I experimented so many.
Good.
I think,
Good.
and what else? I was very busy and I enjoyed a lot because my children, their family also stayed with us. So I enjoyed a lot to say that. I was very happy. Lockdown is I think it's we learned a lot from this coronavirus actually. How to keep ourselves hygienic and our surroundings and how to maintain our health and everything.
I'm Venkatraman. I joined this Garden Lovers Club along with Mr. Manoj some 2.5 years back, and we were regularly visiting this. Indeed, during the lockdown, we have missed for more than a year. Later on, we all decided when there was an exhibition, horticulture exhibition, we all decided that we should meet and we should start. So today, being the 13th February 2021, we all have assembled. Some 9 to 10 people have assembled. So this is the beginning. Lockdown, indeed, I enjoyed a lot of things. I started doing my videos wherever I traveled. I started doing my videos, and I started doing paintings and many work on the computers and all. So the lockdown, I didn't feel much pressure about the lockdown because the only thing is that I was house arrested. My going on traveling was totally stopped.